guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you my fidgets. I know my mom hasn't posted in a while, but that's just because we've been very busy. And I also got LED lights and fairy lights, so I hope you like them. Anyway, let's get started. So first, this is the drawer. I have all of these, so let's first take out this container. I'm going to set you guys down right here. So let's talk about what's in this. First, it looks like this when I open it. And this is all the fidgets that are in here. So let's go through every one. I have squishies. I have thinking putty. I also have this puzzle ball thing. I have 3 simple dimples. Trying to just keep it organized because I just organized all of my fidgets. I have 5 acupressure rings. Right here, what you basically do is you just go like that with them. Then under that, I have a snapper. Next to that, I have an infinity cube. I love infinity cubes. They are so much fun to play with. And it's never ending. It's an infinity cube. So, yeah. Under that is a tangle. I got this for my birthday, the tangle, for my friend. And then I have 3 marble mesh. What you basically do with them is you just move the marble around in the mesh. And you can do all that, and it's super fun. Under that, I have a snake. And then next to the snake, I have a pea popper. You can just pop the peas out, or pea in a pod. I don't know, that's what some people call it. Then I have monkey noodles. I'm going to take one out. It's pink, super neon. It's very bright, so that's a lot of fun to play with. Next to the simple dimples, I have these wacky track snappers that I made. There's one. And here's the other. So that's a lot of fun to play with. Then I have a bike chain, a blue one. Then we have magnetic rings. They're super bright as well. I love bright colors. I'm just gonna quickly do this. And then, I think that's all that's in here. And I did mention these. I also mentioned the squishies. So yeah, that's what's in here. Let's see if I missed anything. I don't think I have. Okay, now let's talk about what my favorite fidget is in here. My favorite fidget is probably the simple dimples, or the tangles, or the wacky tracks, or I'm basically just saying I love everything. But yeah, so that's what's in here. I'm gonna put this back on top. No, I'm gonna keep it down. And I'm gonna show you what's in here. So this is what it looks like. First I have a trimple dimple. Then I have a paint palette dimple. Then I have a dimple digits, I think that's what it's called. I don't know. I think it's a dimple digits though. It's a small one. So I'm going to put those back. Sorry if I'm making the camera move a lot. I don't really have a stand for the phone. And then I have this yellow circle poppet. Under it, stacked, is a purple hexagon poppet. Under that stacked is a rainbow square poppet. Then under that is this poppet. Then I have the one you've all been waiting for at the end of this video. I have a giant poppet. It is 256 bubbles, and it keeps me entertained for hours. I can play with this like for my whole entire life. That is so much fun to play with. So I just put the poppet in first, just like that. Then I put, let me just fix this up. Then I put the poppets. Then last I put all the dimples. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. Oops. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, sorry. I also put this box right like that. And yeah, so guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna just change the color of my lights really quick. So let's change them to, nah, not pink. Let's see. Ooh, this is a nice color. I think I'm gonna change it to that teal. And do the other one. Perfect. They look super pretty. And guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And bye!